Hey, what's up guys? I'm just making this video of how I hooked up my sub and amp to my 2014 Cadillac CTS coupe. I ran into a little bit of trouble and I found it on the forums on how to figure it out, but I noticed there wasn't any videos up on YouTube on how to do this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I went ahead and did it. So I still have the stock head unit, so I had to use a line output converter. So what I did first was I removed the back seats, and this bottom part you just grab on from like the center and you pull up. There's a video on YouTube on how to remove it, so I went ahead and just did that. Then it had 4 nuts, so there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And to get up to this part up here, you have to remove this little side panel here and this one right here. And once you have that off, you have to remove this top part. And once you remove this part up here, you're able to get to the wire harness. So the trouble I ran into first was I hooked up my line output converter to the speakers here, the left and right rear speakers, and it wasn't working. So I went on the forums on how to hook it up, and they hooked it up directly to the little sub that the car already has. And the wires I tapped into was black and green, and the other one was white and blue. So I went ahead and tapped into there, and then it worked. So after I hooked up the line output converter, I passed my cables down through here, and they come all the way around through the back. Then I tucked them in here, all the way down, and passed them down around through the back of the trunk. I'll show you a better view once I open the trunk. And then I put them all through there. So let's go. And I hooked up two 12s. And the box isn't gonna stay there. I'm gonna actually put it in the trunk. It's just right now I was moving that, so it was kind of in the way. Okay, so we're here at the trunk. So like I said, I passed these wires down through the back, around, all the way around, and then I tucked in the wires in through here. Just lift this up and put them in all the way around, and then I tucked them all under here, even the ground and the power. And this thing, to remove it, you just have to remove these little bolts on both sides and just tuck everything in. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll show you guys it once it's all done, how it looks. Hey, welcome back, guys. Just wanted to show you guys how it turned out. So I have the subs in here, and then the only thing I have running throughout here is the bass knob. It's the only thing I left out. Everything else is tucked in. And then back, I put the seats in, put this little side panels back in, that back part. I tucked in the bass knob line, the wire or the cable, around through the side, all through here. The only part I couldn't tuck in was here. So other than that, everything else tucks in. Around through here, tucked it in, put it in. And came up through here, and I put it in through this little slot right here, and then I mounted it right here. So I'm able to adjust the bass from here. Alright guys, well that's it. Show you guys how it sounds. And I can adjust the bass, so I have it set up pretty high on the amp, So I'm able to adjust it more from here. I about halfway. And so I'll turn this up.
Open yours, 2 doors. Legs up like a Victor door. Raw nigga to the core. Money long boy, broke niggas gon' snore. And I'm fresh out the store, right?
Yeah, so that's it, guys. If you guys have any suggestions on what else I could do, it's like some little mods I could do for now, go ahead and leave it on the comment section, and I'll go ahead and read them. Thanks.